Anyway, my wife and I live in southeast town in 11 mile here, and we're to come to the District 2 Commissioner. In my campaign in 2004, I ran on honesty and integrity, and in my oath of office, I swore to conduct the business of this office without fear or favor. I feel that I have kept that promise. We have a lot of accomplishments with our current Board of Commissioners. We have a fully funded capital improvement plan for our schools, and we'll be doing some renovations. And we're working on our district water systems. Our chair and I are working with a group with the Orange, UNC, Owasso, Durham City to try to create an alliance to form a regional water treatment plant on the west side of Torrey Lake that we can partner in that provide water for us in our future. A couple of things I'm very proud of in the last 3 years. After Speaker Hackney became Speaker of the House, he appointed me to the North Carolina State Commission on Municipal and Corporations, which is a great honor to me that he thought of me. I am the only county commissioner in the state that serves on that board. Another thing I'm proud of is the Land Transfer Tax Voter Referendum Authority. Whether you believe in it and support it or not, we at least achieved the opportunity to make our voice heard. I was honored by the North Carolina Association of County Commissioners for my efforts. I was given their Premier Legislative Advocacy Award for my work. The last thing I'll speak about that I'm extremely proud of is the affordable housing efforts that have gone on in Chatham County in the last 2 years. I formed the Affordable Housing Task Force. I worked with the Newland Contributions and Empowerment and Habitat for Humanity. Then the Oak Foundation saw what we were doing with a subdivision in Pittsburgh. They offered us a $750,000 grant if we could get a match. The Board of Commissioners matched it, so we took our affordable housing fund from 0 to over $3.8 million in a year and a half. Habitat for Humanity honored me with their advocacy award for that. And we'll soon start our housing with Empire Chapel. Empowerment Incorporated will be our agent for those houses. And Habitat in 05 built only 5 houses, and in 06 and 07 we built a total of 24. We have 6 under construction now, and we haven't even started the builder blitz. So this will be a better year for affordable housing in Chatham County. I appreciate the public trust that you have honored me with over the past 2 years, and I hope that you will continue your support and provide your votes for my candidacy on May 6th. Thank you very much.